Imagine yourself as the director of a movie. All the actors are on the set. They're in costume and they know their lines. They're just waiting for you to say action so they can begin. Cue cards are just like that. They contain a series of scripted actions, and they all jump into action when you press the play button. They allow mission creators to create complex chains of events that can be triggered at the push of a button. Let's take a closer look at how they work. If you double-click on a cue card, it expands to reveal the cues inside. It contains a bunch of cues that introduce training mode for the crew. The first one plays the green alert sound effect. The next one displays a message on the view screen. Then this one waits for 5 seconds before proceeding to the fourth cue, which plays the green alert sound effect again, and so on. When the card is run, the cues will be executed in the order they are listed, from top to bottom. To rearrange their order, simply drag them around, like this. To add a new cue, press the plus button at the bottom, here. This will let you specify the type of cue and fully customize its effect. We'll cover the different cue types in a separate video. You can also assign a color to the cue card using these buttons. This has no functional effect. It merely serves as a visual indicator to help you distinguish one cue card from another. When we close back out, we see all the cue cards lined up here. You can rearrange them by dragging and dropping. When you want to activate a cue card, simply press the play button in the upper right corner of the card, and the system will automatically execute each cue, one by one, in the order they are listed. Also, you'll notice that some cue cards are connected to each other. This is controlled by the little link button, which appears when you hover your mouse in the space between two cue cards. Clicking it will attach them together, and clicking it again will break them apart. When a cue card is played, any cue card attached to it will also be played automatically. You can create new cue cards at the end of the list by clicking the plus icon here. Or, to insert a new cue card between two others, you can click the small plus icon that appears in the corner between them. Cue cards are powerful tools that form the building blocks of all missions. The best way to get familiar with them is to edit some existing cue cards and try making some of your own. We'll explore some tips and tricks about working with cue cards in a separate video.